Nature and effect of an obligation, Article 11. So, 1156, 1157, 1163 to 1169. Nature and effect, 1163, to give specific, determine or generic. Tapos 1164, yung fruits, merong merong natural fruit, yung mismo natural fruit. Industrial fruit, human-made and civil fruit. Yung money that earns. Tapos, under it, merong personal right and legal right. Personal right against a person demand to do or to act, while real right against things demand the ball on how he will use. Demand on how he basta gamitin niya. Yun eh. 1166, accession and accessories. To give everything within it accessions. Ito yung nag-a-add dun sa isang item. Kunwari nagbenta ka ng land, tapos may kasamang bahay kasama na yun. Tapos accessories to other complement. Example, if you were selling a car, tapos meron kang mga duplicates, kailangan pati yung mga duplicates. Ibibigay mo para mawalan ka na ng property dun sa pinibenta mong gamit. Tapos breach of an obligation, Article 1169, the delay or more fails to do after the demand, fraud or dolo, neglecting or avoiding an obligation, negligence or culpa. Negligence or culpa, kapapaya. Fails to carry the diligence, Article 1174, fortuitous event, parang making an obligation impossible due to uncertain or natural disaster event. Kinds of obligation: pure and conditional obligation. 1174, yung huli 1179, 1174 Wait lang. $11.79 to $11.92. Pure obligation. Pure obligation, demandable at once or agaran, immediately, conditional obligation, obligation is upon the condition. Merong tinatawag na future but uncertain. Kunwari, bibingak ng piso bukas pag umulan, pag hindi umulan. So, uncertain. Tapos, past but unknown. Tapos, pasok din dito yung article 1193. Yung two kinds ng period, yung suspensive and resolutory, per 1193 to 1199 under ng application with period, article 1193. Condition with period, the two kinds of it is the suspensive pa. Suspensive an obligation will start if yun na pag-usapan is nangyari na, while resolutory obligation will ends if the event happened 1166. Both parties presume both benefits unless otherwise otherwise, check ko lang. Para wala akong tinitingnan na walang pandaraya. With period pa rin ako 93. Yeah. Unless otherwise stated. 1166 yun na. 1167 court may change period. So, kunwari, si X nag-demand kay Y na magbayad ng 1,000. Pero wala siyang sinabing date. So, yung court yung magde-decide kung hanggang kailan siya makakapagbayad ng 1,000. Tapos, yung 1168, debtor loses the benefit of the period. Ito yung may nagawang damage. May nagawang damage si debtor kay creditor. Mangyayari, yung obligation niya magiging immediately mapapabilis dahil may wala siyang hindi ginawa. Tapos, pasok na tayo ng pure conditional kay alternative 1199 to 1205. 1199. Alternative applications means two or more prestitation, but debtor may only if only debtor may only perform once. 1201 Article 1200, right to choose. 1201 1201 1201 Effectivity of choice. Choice must be communicated. Magiging valid lang yung choice ni debtor kapag nakipag-communicate siya. So, 1201 1201 1202 1202 1202 1202 If only one prestitation left, debtor must do it or demand it. 1203 If creditor blocks the debtor's decision, debtor may claim damage. 1204 to 1205 Rules of case of loss. Kunwari, si debtor nawala nila. Kunwari if debtor lose one prestitation, he needs to comply with other obligation. As kapag naubos lahat, if debtor lost all the obligation, ayan, tsaka lang magdedemand si creditor ng damage. Again, 1199 alternative obligation. 1201 right of an action. 99 12,000 essential of choice cannot communicated. 1202 kapag there was only one presentation, kailangan niya na gawin. 1203 if creditor blocks debtor, pwede mag-claim si debtor ng damage. 1204 1205 rules cause of loss. Tapos kung 1206 facultative obligation. Sinasabi dito na there is only one prestitation, but debtor can give a substitute option or obligation. So, pure conditional 1207 to 1222, 1207 to 1208, joint obligation. Kailangan bayaran ni debtor yung part niya, and si creditor, kuha niya din yung part niya. Pag sinabi mo ng joint, ano yun? Solidary obligation, 1207 to 1211. One creditor one debtor may pay whole, and one creditor pwede niya hinahingi ng buo. Hihingi niya basta yun. Tapos 1217, sinasabi sa 1217, one extinguishes to the debt of all. So, kunwari ABC, si A pwede niya nabayaran ng buo. And A, si A pwede niya singilin si B and C para sa part nila. Tapos, sa 12 hanggang 1222 Kaya sabi naman sa 1221 na kapag kasalanan ng isang debtor, kasalanan ng lahat. Pasok na tayo sa 1223 na tayo. 1223 to 1225, divisible and indivisible. Divisible, may perform partially or perform in parts. 1223 yan. Pag sinabi ng 1204 to 1205, indivisible, kailangan buo niya gagawin, bawal hatiin, or in short, as whole. Last na, anong obligation na gawin natin sa aralan ko niya sa 56, 57 hanggang services, 1163 to 1169, to give, to do or not to do, breach, delay, mora, negligence, culpa, ano yung isa? Delay, mora, dolo, tapos diba? 1168, 1169 yung tatlo, 1174 yung fortuitous event. Tapos pasok na tayo sa kinds of obligation. 1179 to pure and conditional. 1179 to period 1199 to 1205. The alternative uh, 1179 to 1190 1193 to 1198. 67, 8, meron yan. 11, 99. 1199 to 1205.
There's
Alternative 1206. Calculative 1207. Ano?
so
1207 to 1211. Period. Alternative. Calculative 1207, 1206, 1207 to 1221 hanggang 1221 yung joint and solitary kasi 1207, 1208 joint solitary 1207 hanggang 1211, 1217 1217 pwede yung isang diopter yung magbabago tapos basta yan tapos 1221 liable lahat ay gawa na isa liable 1223 to 20 23 to 25 divisible invisible 23 divisible invisible 24 to 25 tapos 26 to 7 1156 to 1230